Chutney Dam.
Oh, from there? Stop making up stories. Oh, forget all this. Let's enjoy the sun.
Oh, all right.
You are about to witness something amazing that will make your sleep run away.
Hey, Vadu, what are you doing up there? Quickly come down.
Yeah, he was just joking. Come down, quick. Huh? What?
Hey, Vadu, come down.
Yeah, coming.
Oh, no, don't come down.
But you just told me to come down.
Yeah, come down, but no, don't come.
I'm coming.
Don't come.
Coming.
Come. No, don't.
And I'm coming down. Heysha! See? Didn't I jump? Am I not just like you, Samosa bro?
Great job, Vadu. Idea, come with me. Let's go. Huh?
Ha! Yeah! Yeah!
Huh? Yeah! Huh. Yay! Hey, Dhokla, it's your turn. Ha! Yay! Huh? Have some fun, make a leap, take the plunge. Forget bungee, time for chutney jump. Ladies and gentlemen, we begin the amazing game of chutney jump. From the hot fry shop, mini pakodas. Not one, not two, but three. After the pakodas, ice lollies. Chili spicy flavors just like sweet chili sauce. No left, no right. From above comes the crispy vada pav. Oops, his mustache flew off. Everything flies, nice try. And from the Pan Pavilion, Pan Fried Paneer team is ready to chutney jump. Shorty, junior and senior all together. Oops, a little win and fail. A shower of save thanks to Save Puri. Audience awestruck. Look at their balance, brilliant. And then they go for a super jump. And now the game gets even more exciting. Up next is the grand lady in a sari. Yogurt on top, safety gear tip top. The flying queen from your dreams. The Puri. Cheers! The players are in full form. Everyone's having fun with the chutney jump. Hip hip, hooray!
Oh, it's so much fun splashing around in this spicy pool of chutney.
Stop! What are you doing? She's doing what you should be doing. It's Dhokla's turn now.
Oh yeah, well said, Vadu.
Come on, Dhokla. Now you jump into the chutney. No. What's this, guys? You need to stop troubling me. Huh? He's just